Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That's your makeup, your hair, your fashion. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. If you are not, no problem. Just click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you love what you see here, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, leave me a comment. Let me know what you like about it. You can also let me know what you would like to see in the future. In today's video, I am bringing to you a SHEIN Fall Fashion Try-On Haul. It's a try-on haul, but also I want you to see how it looks on the model versus me, because sometimes the models are not our ideal shape. They don't look like us, they're not shaped like us, they're not built like us, you know, all of that good stuff. So I want you to see how it looks on the model versus a real person. And of course, if I can find the links to each item that I am trying on, I will leave them below. If you are interested in seeing what SHEIN has to offer for the fall, just keep watching. First up is this cute little ensemble. This is an off-the-shoulder t-shirt dress. Let me just let you see. Really cute. It hits right at the knee, and I paired them with these cute little booties. I just kind of wanted to give you all an idea of how it would look and how you can wear it. The sleeves are a little long. This one falls off the shoulder. So of course this sleeve is shorter than this sleeve, but that is not a problem. I actually love the slouch look. This is the back. Really cute ensemble. Since you've seen how it looks on me, here is the model.
Handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's
So what do you think? You can also pair this with a cute pair of leggings or footed tights, depending on the weather out, how cold it is, how warm it is. If it's cool, this is perfect just like this. Up next is this cute little black dress. Every girl needs a little black dress. I have a ton of them, but you always want to make sure you have a black dress in your wardrobe. Now, remember, this is a fall fashion haul, so this is a long sleeve black dress. Actually, it's almost maxi style. Sleeves are a tad bit long, but hey, they're workable. And this is my favorite style, bodycon. Disclaimer, I do not have on a Spanx, okay? So don't come for me. Whenever I'm getting ready to actually wear this baby, I will have the proper foundation on underneath. And again, the booties are here. Just in case you want to know, these ankle boots are from the Nova. Y'all know I cannot have an outfit with at least one item from Fashion Nova. So anyway, this is all about SHEIN. This cute little bodycon, it has tremendous stretch. I mean, it is very, very stretchy. I actually could have gone down a size. This is a large, but I really could have gotten a medium. Remember, whenever you have something that has really good stretch, you can actually go down a size. This is the back.
I gotta stank, walk.
Remember, I told y'all I don't have on the proper foundation. It's a little bit see-through, just a little, but it's not bad. You can wear this, you can pair it with
Real hot girl.
y'all. It's a little bit wrinkled, but this nice little trench coat also comes from SHEIN. It's very, very thin. It's not thick at all. So if it's really cold outside, this is not the one for you. But if it's a little cool, the dress has long sleeves. Actually, you could wear it together. And I don't know who told y'all black and brown don't go together, but black with this shade of brown, I absolutely love it. But let me just step back. Buttons are functional. Y'all don't mind how wrinkled it is. I just took it straight out the bag. But of course, before I wear it, it will not be this wrinkled. But check it out. Cute. The model. Up next is a cute little onesie. Well, catsuit, onesie, one piece, whatever you want to call it. I got this. I know you can see this is not really fall-like, but I bought a blazer and I decided, well, with the one piece pants, let me just let you see. Again, I don't have on the proper undergarments, but this is the catsuit. It's Very stretchy, y'all. Very stretchy. This is the model, but this one piece, size large. I got it because I can use this for several outfits. What made me order it was the fact that I had ordered a blazer. I know you are saying, what in the colorful mess is going on? But y'all, this blazer just caught my eyes. Check it out on the model. Now, I actually found the blazer first, and in my head, a light bulb just went off. I need one of those one-piece cat suits. That is going to be really cute. It has one button. This is exactly what I had in mind. Boots, one-piece blazer. And the blazer is a size large as well. Now, y'all, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. Well, I know what I was thinking. I was thinking it's really cute, but I didn't know where I was gonna wear this to. I didn't know. Y'all, I just didn't know. Let me just go ahead and show you the model because I look nothing like the model. My body is bigger. My thighs sure are bigger. Legs, just everything. Model, me. All right,
yes,
y'all, I went ahead and styled her up. Put the fishnet stockings on. Ankle boots. Again, I don't know where I would wear this to, but y'all, it was just so cute. Back shot. I don't remember the size, but you have to make sure you have on a really cute bra underneath. Y'all, this thing is hot. When I say it's hot, faux leather is really on trend right now. You can get faux leather everywhere, and it comes in all styles. I've seen leggings, I've seen wide leg pants, shorts, skirts, dresses. I mean, just everything. And yeah, when you get the faux leather, I don't know about you. I don't know if you ever ordered anything that was faux leather. It also comes with the smell. So make sure you air it out before you actually wear it. It's a very strong, like fishy smell. It doesn't smell good at all, but it's cute. Shorts are really short. I could not wear these shorts without something on my legs because y'all, these legs are not as smooth as they used to be, especially in the back. But I will rock this. I can't actually wait to wear it. I don't know where I wear it to, but I like it. All right, y'all, we are almost done with this haul, but not quite. That brings me to this really cute two-piece sweater set. It was really cute on the model, and it falls off her shoulder, but I'm just making it come off my shoulder, but it really does not. But let me just let y'all see.
Just like that.
Cute, y'all, but actually, I wouldn't dress this up. I would actually pair this with tennis shoes because it's very comfortable, really cute. Let me let you see the back. This is the back. It's very, very comfortable. This is a size large. This contains lots of stretch. I knew that because I always check the description to see what material the items are made of. It said slight stretch, so that's why I ordered a large, but I really could have sized down. However, I'm glad I got the large because I want this to be kind of loose fitted, just like how it is. But again, I would dress this down. Check it out.
You can check the throwback pics up in that bitch. I'm a hot girl.
All right, y'all, we have come to the last look of the day. The last look of this try-on haul, that is. I guess this can be a fall look, but it's a two-piece pencil midi skirt. Y'all, before I step back, y'all already know that my midsection is my problem area. It's the area I don't like. I need surgery. I just have this line and this flap and just, ugh. Anyway, we step back. Y'all see this? This is what I'm talking about. And the black that you see is my thong shaper because I just could dare not. I don't like it, but baby, I flunked it. Tyra Banks says sometimes you have to flunk your flaws. Check it out. This is the back. And this is really cute, but I would not dress this up either. I would dress this down as well. I don't know. It looks cute dressed up, but I'm just saying my initial thought was dress down. That's what I would do. However, right now I would rock her.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big. Yeah, little waist, body crazy, curvy, wavy, big.
I want to thank you all for tuning in to the SHEIN Fall Try-On Haul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you click that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Let me know which look you like the best and what you would like to see next. And of course, remember to share it. As always, stay popping YouTube. I will catch each of you beauties in the next video. Adios.